The fabrication of airlight doors, door jambs and fittings is a simple process made even easier by the products supplied by Air's composite panels. Pre-cut airlight extrusions are arranged on a bench. A suitable flexible polyurethane adhesive should be used. The airlight panel is fitted inside the extrusions. A jig may be useful to secure the assembly. This door is a C-class smoke-proof door with a flame retardant paste. A cross brace may be used to permit two different panels being fitted, for example a glass panel on the top half and an airlight panel in the bottom half. Screws are used to secure the final assembly. As with cutting operations on most materials, avoid inhalation and eye contact with machining dust. Airs advise wearing protective equipment such as hearing protection and safety glasses during any cutting operations. Once fabricated, the door hardware is easily installed into the pre-cut recesses. The airlight door jamb and style is designed to provide a lightweight, easy to assemble, versatile door system. Pre-cut the jamb to length and using a mitre, cut the angles to ensure the door is square.
Corner spigots are used to secure the joins. The assembled door jamb and stile is easily fitted into the door threshold.